Why aren't my cracking?
Stop that.
What's gonna happen if I don't?
I said don't and I mean it.
Okay, chill. But why do we hear sound while cracking knuckles?
Actually, our joint contains a fluid called synovial fluid. When there is any pressure change, tiny bubbles form and the popping sound you hear are those bubbles bursting.
I heard it leads to arthritis.
Lot of people think it can cause arthritis, but that's just a myth. However, if there is pain, swelling or limited movement, that could be a real joint issue. And if you force it too hard, you might even tear a ligament.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Are you dreaming of losing 5 kg in a healthy way? Comment yes.